Hey everyone, did you know there's a secret hidden feature in Windows that gives you access to over 200 advanced settings in one single folder? No software needed, no complicated setup. It's called the GodMode folder, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create it and why it's such a powerful tool for your PC. If you want to unlock the full potential of your computer, this trick is a must-know. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I'm going to right-click on my desktop. From here, I'll create a brand new folder. Now, I've already saved a special folder name in Notepad. I'll also add this name in the video description, so you don't need to memorize or type anything manually. I'll go ahead and cut the name from Notepad. Next, I'll rename the folder we just created, and now I'll paste the special name here. As soon as I press enter, you'll notice the folder icon changes instantly. That means the God Mode folder is now ready. Let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, all the Windows settings are now available in one single place. From here, you can easily access any setting with just a click or two. Super fast and super convenient. Now, before we finish, let me quickly tell you why this God Mode folder is such a powerful tool. It saves you a lot of time by putting hundreds of settings in one place. No more wasting time searching through different menus or control panel options. It makes managing your Windows PC much easier and faster. If you want to be a true master of your computer, this trick is a must-know. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips like this. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.